Mustang time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1972 Ford Mustang Grande. Nice looking two-door coupe. Of course, the Grande would have been a trim level. The Grandes were a higher equipped, nicer equipped Mustang. Didn't have anything to do with the size of them or anything, of course, but just a nicely equipped and a little higher trim level is what the Grande was. So this particular car, 302 powered underneath the hood, and that is how this car would have came from Ford back in 72. Also power steering, power brakes, AC compressor. We have not had kick on and off. It appears most of the components are there. Consignor of this vehicle chose to sell it the way it is. Just to inform you of that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, the engine bay, interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726 to get a good look at the front end of this car. Bumper, chrome looking good on it. Grill. There is just a little bit of pitting, if I can get it to show up kind of on the hood chrome here, a little bit of pitting there. Otherwise, paint, nice shape. Appears it has had a repaint along the way just because of the condition of the paint. And this is light pewter metallic, so it's the way it would have came from Ford back in 72. Paint code would actually be 5A, black vinyl roof. Interior FF code, so that would be a medium ginger cloth and vinyl interior. And you're going to see here shortly, that's the way it still is to this day. Take a look up and down, passenger side here, give you an idea. Here's the car is nice and straight. Doesn't look like it's a real thick car. It's had a lot of body work to it. Nice looking flat black stripe on that light pewter metallic. Here's the ginger cloth and vinyl combination interior. C4 automatic transmission paired up with that 302 that's underneath the hood. And also kind of era correct aluminum slots with Firehawk radials. Nice looking wing in the back here. Sets her off a little bit. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Give you a look at the rear bumper here. Chrome appears to be in nice shape on that also. This car was originally delivered to the West Coast, according to the DSO and the door tag. Now that door tag, you can see that also along with all the other pictures of this car, probably 100 plus pictures online. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to go right there. Take a look up and down. The driver's side here, again, you can see paint. Good shape, car is straight. Take a look at the vinyl top on this one also. Don't see any bubbling really back here. It'd be one of the spots you'd start to see it first, it seems like. Underneath that vinyl, looks good here. And I have all the angles of that vinyl roof taken in the still pictures also. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. It does have an aftermarket Grande steering wheel on it. Otherwise, interior looks pretty stock the way it would have came. Four panels dash, does have a white-faced instrument cluster. I noticed there too, little aftermarket stereo. Shoulder restraint belts. Let's go ahead and start this up. See here, run, there's those white-faced gauges I was kind of talking about. Little cluster aftermarket gauges also, showing vacuum. We have voltage, oil pressure, and water temperature down there. Grande logo. Check out the dash. .02 runs nice. Aftermarket JVC stereo there also. Little wear in the vinyl of the seat right here. Seats appear they could possibly even be stock. All right, slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. Door shuts easily, closes nice. Take a listen to that 302. All right, slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second, pop the hood. We'll check out that engine bay and wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There it is. Smooth running 302. Sounds good. And again, there's the AC. You can see it component-wise. It's all there. And again, on consignment. Owner chose it to sell it this way. Price reflects it. Grande, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Still in the factory color. Light pewter metallic. That ginger combo interior. Automatic transmission. Give us a call, 1972 Ford Mustang Grande, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.